Wrinkles don't appear overnight, and they don't disappear overnight either. But what if I told you there's a simple homemade wrinkle cream using ingredients you already have that can visibly soften fine lines in just a few weeks? As we age, our skin naturally loses collagen, moisture, and elasticity, especially after 40 and 50. Expensive anti-aging creams promise miracles, but many contain harsh chemicals and offer temporary results. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step to create an effective homemade wrinkle cream using natural ingredients that dermatologists often recommend for aging skin. This simple cream can smooth fine lines, boost skin firmness, and restore a youthful glow, all without harsh chemicals or irritation. Recipe 1. Aloe Vera Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Let's start with a simple yet powerful cream that hydrates, repairs, and firms your skin naturally. You only need a few easy-to-find ingredients. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 teaspoon rose water. How to prepare: mix all ingredients in a clean bowl until smooth. Store in a small glass container. How to use: apply a pea-sized amount at night on clean skin. Massage gently upward on eyes, forehead, and mouth. Leave overnight and rinse in the morning. Why it works: aloe vera hydrates and boosts collagen. Vitamin E repairs and reduces fine lines. Coconut oil locks in moisture. Rose water tightens pores and smooths skin. Recipe 2. Shea Butter Anti-Wrinkle Cream. This nourishing cream is perfect for softening fine lines and restoring skin's natural glow. It's rich, moisturizing, and gentle on aging skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 teaspoon almond oil. How to prepare: melt shea butter gently. Mix in honey and almond oil. Let it cool and store in a jar. How to use: apply to clean skin at night. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave overnight. Why it works: honey hydrates and softens skin. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E. Shea butter nourishes and firms. If you found these recipes helpful, like this video, subscribe for more natural skincare tips and share it with someone who wants younger looking skin. Remember, consistency is key. Use these creams regularly and watch your skin transform naturally.